So, slight change of plans and content this week. There was a huge windstorm that blew through town and it blew the skylight of my van right off the hinges. It left an empty hole in the roof and rain came in and soaked the interior of my van overnight. I didn't know that was even possible for the wind to take the skylight off the top of my van, but it is. So today we are going to be replacing it. I got the Skymaxx LX Skylight from maxxair. They do not sell a replacement for just the top, so I had to buy an entirely new skylight. Hopefully we'll just be able to take the top off, put it back on. It'll be an easy switch, but I've never done this before, so you're gonna come with me to learn how. The good news is I was not in my van at the time. I've actually been at my family farm because I ordered the Starlink and was waiting for it to arrive. So I was sleeping inside, and then since there was a hole in the van, I was able to pull it into this large barn, which has been super helpful. So I'm thankful for all that. But this is just one of the realities of van life. I guess things can go wrong at any time, and I am learning that as I go. So let's get this new skylight on. Come with me. Here is the window. As you can see, it's totally broken off here. All the plastic is cracked. Somehow it actually even got water like inside. You can see that, which is crazy. So this is just the only part that we are going to be replacing. Let's open up this new box and see what's inside. And this is the Skymaxx LX from maxxair. Same company that does the fans that everyone gets, that I have as well. Here it is. So inside you have your sheet of instructions, installation. We've already installed it, so hopefully I won't need that. So this is the part that's already in my van. This comes with the shade the shade here and the screen, but won't need this. So this is the part that we're gonna really be replacing. So what I need to do is remove this plastic part off of this base and then put it on top of the base that I already have. And I think that we're literally just gonna be able to do it with a screwdriver. So let's try it out. You can see here that's just a screw, and it's connected to a pin that goes all the way down the length of the window. And that is the hinge. Basically, that's what keeps it on. So I'm hoping all we have to do is remove the screw, remove this pin, and then refit it onto the window onto the frame that I already have on the van. Okay, so I've got both the screws off. Now there's like a metal bar that's running through here that you can't really see. I'm gonna have to figure out how to take that out. So hold, please. Done. Separate the base from the window itself, and now I'm gonna take this up onto the roof of the van and get it installed. Okay, so up here on the roof, here is the broken parts of the old window, and they're easy to remove. So I just took off the first piece, push it out, and I can pull out this whole stick real easily. There's all the old plastic pieces from the hinges. Now I gotta get the new piece up here. I think we have to thread this first. The handle in place. Okay, that's up. Now we're gonna get the pin back in here. We're gonna feed our pin. I have to line the plastic pieces together to make it straight enough for that rod to go through. Last step, putting these screws in. You can see it from my angle here. Okay, that tucks in. Next side. Okay, that is it. And now we should have a fully functioning skylight. There you go. Skylight is fixed. No more hole in my roof, and I'm ready to hit the road again. See you next time.